Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss how to make hexagonal bottle model. And already I have made the model. I have taken the base 6 centimeter side hexagon, then height is 15 centimeter, and the frustum that one lower side is 6 centimeter, upper side is 3 centimeter, and the mouth of the hexagonal bottle is 3 centimeter. Height of the uh, mouth is 3 centimeter. The cap is 3.5 centimeter, and the height of the mouth, that is cylinder, it is 3.5 centimeter. And after drawing the net diagram and cutting the outlines and pasting, I will make the hexagonal bottle model. And I have attached a strip to prevent the cap to loss from the bottle. Let us see how we can draw the net diagram of hexagonal bottle model. So as the base is 6 centimeter side and hexagon, so perimeter of the hexagon is this one 36 centimeter. So you have to draw the 36 centimeter, okay, and we will mark at 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Now the height is height or breadth is 15 centimeter. So here 15 centimeter I taken. Now you will complete the rectangle. So also again 36 centimeter. So here the 6 centimeter, 12, 18, 24, this one 30 and this one 36. Now join this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now naming. So this one A, B, C, D, E, F, A. This one 6 centimeter, and this one A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, A dash, plus 6 centimeter. Now border. Now this body net diagram is over. Now cap. So for cap, that is 3.5 centimeter. Side of 3.5 into 6. So this is 21 centimeter. So so I taken perimeter 21 centimeter. So 3.5, 7, 10.5, then 14, 17.5 and 21. And the height is 3.5 centimeter this side, and this one also 3.5 centimeter. So again there's 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14, 17.5. So I'll join this one. Now this is border. So this one naming A, B, C, D, E, F, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, A dash. So 3.5. So always cap is bigger than the mouth. So I have taken 0.5 extra. This is our. Now this is cap. Next is mouth. So for mouth, so that is a 3 centimeter. So 3 6 ja 18. So this one 18 centimeter length. Perimeter of the mouth. This one 18 centimeter. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So now join this one. This is the height, 3 centimeter. This one 3 centimeter. Now the border. So A, B, C, D, E, F, A, T. Now the lower base and upper base. So lower base is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter. So OA. This one I have taken diameter 12 centimeter. And this one O. This one A is 6 centimeter. Okay. So I have to draw. Taking the side as 6 centimeter. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2. So now join this one. Repeat the name. B, C, D, E, F. Now join this one. So this is the lower base is over. Now cap cover, that is 3 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. So this one 7 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter side or radius. Now 3.5 centimeters. So this is 1, 2, and this one. Now join the sides. So this one 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So here. So this one A, OA 3.5. So 3.5. This one B, C, D, E, F. So is 3.5. So the cap, body, cap, mouth, body, this cover over. Now only first term left. Now we'll do the first term. So this is the low, upper side is 3 centimeters. So double the radius you have to take. So total is 24 centimeter is the diameter. So this one O, A, this one 6 and this one 6. So I'll take this one A dash, I'll take the here. So to draw two circles, 12 centimeter taking. One is 12 centimeter, another 6. So from here, this one 6, next is 6 centimeter. Taking center as O. So I will draw like this. So this is over. Now I will join. I'll cut the from A 6 centimeter side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now this one, this is B, C, D, E, F, A. Now join OB, OC, OD, OE, OF. Now AB will join BC, CD, DE, EF, FA. So this is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 is the side is 6. So here now this is B dash, this is A dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, A dash. So this one you can join like this. So now the border. Now we'll cut the net diagram. Okay, now so this one 3 centimeter, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3, and this one so 6. Okay, the slanted 6 centimeter. So now we'll cut the net diagram and fold the sides and border. So after cutting the net diagram, okay, so this one the body and this is the base hexagon, and this one the frustum, and this one mouth, and this one the cap, and this one cap cover. So we have to do like this. You have to fold like this. Okay, this is become cylinder, hexagonal cylinder, and it will fit exactly. This one will fit here. Now this will fit here, this side. This on the mouth, the lower side. It will fit this here, this side. Okay, it will fit here. And this on the cap. So this cap, it will come to like this. After putting the Fevicol, this section will get a bottle. Okay. After joining the each section, this is the cap. This one cap. Okay, this one mouth, frustum, the body. The bottle will look like this. We can change the dimension. So I have taken 6. You can take a 4 or 5 to look little slimmer. Okay, so if you take this one 4, then this one also 4, and I have taken this 3.5 centimeter cap. You can take as I have taken 3 centimeter as the mouth, so I have taken 3.5 as a cap. So you can change the dimension according to your requirement. Okay, and always paste from top to bottom. So cap section is different. Then first mouth attached with frustum, then frustum to body, then body to them. That way you can complete your model quickly. Thank you.